Hariam children, in this video I will explain you the chapter percentage. In class 7 also you have done percentage. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage means anything we will find out of 100. Suppose percentage given to you, we have to change the percentage into fraction. Suppose given to you 25%. 25% given to you, question given to change into fraction. Otherwise first you write it, the heading percentage to fraction. To change percentage into fraction. Suppose percentage is given 25%. We have to change into fraction. So what we will do? First we have to 25% means out of 100. So we have to change into fraction means 25 by 100. We have to reduce in the lowest term. 2500 divisible by this 25 divisible 1. This divided by 25, it will be 4. So 25% it will change into fraction, it becomes 1 by 4. Suppose fraction is given to you. Change fraction into percentage. So fraction, suppose 7 by 5 given fraction, we have to change into percentage. So what will do? You multiply it by 100. If you are converting percentage into fraction, divide by 100. If you are converting fraction into percentage, then you multiply by 100. 7 by 5 into 100 cancel 20. 7 into 20, 140 percentage. Understood? Clear? The next, suppose we have to change percentage into ratio. So change percentage into ratio. Suppose given to you percentage 15%. We have to change into ratio. 15% to ratio to change. First we have to change into fraction. 15% change into fraction means 15 by 100. So we bring into lowest term. In which number it is divisible? By 5. So it will be 3, 20. 3 by 20 in ratio form, what will write? 3 is to 20. Understood? To convert percentage into ratio means first percentage we have to change into fraction, then in the ratio form we have to write. Suppose convert or change ratio into percentage. Suppose change ratio into percentage. Ratio, suppose one ratio is given to you 4 is to 5 ratio. So we have to first change into fraction 4 by 5. Percentage we have to change means percentage anytime anything will change means will multiply by 100. So 5 cancel 20 into 4 80%. So understood how to convert percentage into fraction? When percentage we have to convert into fraction, divided by 100. When the fraction converted into percentage, you will multiply by 100. So you will get, then when percentage we have to change into ratio. So percentage like we are changing into fraction, first we have to change into fraction, bring into lowest terms, then you write in the ratio form. Then suppose ratio is given, change into percentage. We have to same way the reverse ratio we have to change into fraction, then percentage you are changing means you multiply by 100, so it becomes 80%. percent. Clear? Now we have to change percentage into decimal. How to change percentage into decimal? Percentage into decimal. So right here, change percentage, this part is important, percentage into decimal. So percentage to decimal we have to change. Suppose given you percentage 35%, we have to change into decimal. So first percentage given means we have to change into fraction. If fraction given means we have to change into percentage. So percentage given means we have to change first to fraction. Fraction it will be 35 by 100. I have told you before that. Now in decimal form we have to write in 120. So decimal point will move back 2 numbers. So in 20 means 5, 3, 2 numbers there. After that, after coming back to 2 numbers, we have to put the decimal. So 0.35. Clear? Percentage into decimal. Suppose decimal, change decimal into percentage. Decimal into percentage. Suppose decimal is given to you 1.25. Convert to percentage means when you are converting percentage means first step to convert into fraction. Then we have to change into percentage. Percentage question asks means if it is any form we have to first change into fraction form, then fraction form to percentage. You know that fraction form to percentage you are changing means you multiply by 100. And your percentage you are changing into fraction means divided by 100. So here 1.25 first change into fraction. So it will be 125 by 100 after decimal point 2 numbers. So in 120 we have to put. Then to percentage to change means what will do? Multiplied by 100, cancel. So it will be 125%. Understood? Decimal how to change into percent. Understood all these about percentage, how to percentage convert to fraction. Main concept is the main means fundamental things, basic things in percentage is how to percentage change into fraction. Percentage you are changing into fraction means divided by 100. Fraction you are changing into percentage means multiplied by 100. Another important thing is how the percentage you change into decimal part. Percentage given means first we divided by 100, then decimal part to change. Here in fraction form you got. Now in 1 how many zeros like this? Decimal point will move back that number count. That means count how many zeros are there? 2 zeros there. So 2 numbers will back. So 0.35. Suppose decimal given, we have to convert into percentage. So decimal first into change into fraction, then you have to change into percentage. Like percentage given, you change into fraction, then into decimal form you have to change like this. Decimal given to change into fraction, first change into fraction, then into percentage. Understood? These are the concept about percentage. This is the fundamental concept about percentage. Now simple problems 1 2 bits I am doing. After that the solution of the exercise I will send you in the PDF form. You have to write in the school copy. Understood? Suppose one question I am doing. One question is given to you. If in class 8, if in class 8 any section A, B, C or D, any class, if in class 8 the girls are 40%, clear, of the total students. Of the total students, if the number of girls are 20, find the number of students. In class 8, the girls are 40% of the total students. Total girls is percentage given 40% of the total students. If the number of girls is 20 given, find the number of students. So the percentage of girl in the class given and the number of girls also given in the number form. So we have to find the number of students. So let the number of students be x. So 40% of the total students given, total number of students, what we have taken x, 40% of means into, of the total students is equal to, number of girls is 20. So according to the question, 40% of total students is equal to how many girls? 40% of the total students, number of girls is 20. So you have to change into fraction. 40 by 100, number of students we have taken x is equal to 20, implies x is equal to 20 into 100 by 40, cancel 2 cancel here, 50. So x is equal to 50. So total number of students in the class is 50. Understood how to solve? So percentage of girls given in the class and the number of girls also given in the class. We have to find the total number of students in the class. So that how much percentage is given girls, that is out of the from the total number of students. So 40% of the total students, of means into. So 40% into total students, we have taken a variable x is equal to the number of girls is 20. So x you keep this side, this one will go that side, it will be multiplied, reciprocate, cancel it, and the answer will be 50. Understood? Suppose another bit I am doing. Suppose another question, if the price of a book is increased by 15%, it becomes rupees 920. Find the original price. So which things is unknown to you? Question asks to find the original price. So first you have to take let the original price be x. Clear? So increase by 15%. So increase price is, formula you have to remember, 1 plus increase percentage into the original price. Increase price. How much the price is increased? Price is increased after increasing by 15%, it becomes 920. So find the original price. So the increased price, after increasing the price is 920. So what will be the original price? So the formula you write, increase price is equal to 1 plus increase percentage. Remember the formula, increase percentage into original price. Clear? So here increase price is how much given? 920. 1 plus increase percentage 15%. So in fraction form, 15 by 100 into original price. Original price we have taken X. So 920 is equal to, if you add, becomes 115 by 100 into X. So X we will keep this side. This fraction will come here and divide. So 920, if you multiply, it will reciprocate. 100 by 115 is equal to X. So it will cancel with 5, 23. Here it will cancel. 5 1 is 5. 184. 5 1 is 5. 184. Then it will divisible by which number? 23. 23 it will divisible 8. 23 into 8. 184. So it will cancel. So it becomes, so implies X is equal to 8 into 100. It will be rupees 800. So understood? The increased price given to you, the increased percentage given you, the original price to find, the formula you have to write, increased price is equal to 1 plus increased percent into original price. So if decreased price given to find, so 1 minus, here in place of plus, 1 minus decreased percent into original price. So understood how to do? So like this, different types of sums given in the exercise. I will solve and send you in the PDF form. You have to solve. Now also online class is going on. There also the teacher will explain to you. Okay. Here in the video also I have explained the concept. Clear? Okay. Bye. In this video this much. Bye.